Hey folks, it's Greg Rice. We're here at Nexus Property Management's headquarters in Pawtucket, Rhode Island, and right now I'm very excited and thrilled to tell you about our first ever Rhode Island Real Estate Power Players Conference. Now what this is a live panel discussion run by you in the audience, okay? Our panel members have no notes, they have no script, no teleprompter, nothing. They're answering your questions live. Real estate questions, that is. Okay, and our members in no particular order are Mr. Grebien, Mayor of the City of Pawtucket. We have Emilio DiSpirito, who's team leader of the DiSpirito team and host of the DiSpirito team radio show. On top of that, we have John LaPointe from LaPointe Insurance. He's an account executive there. And last but not least, Mr. DeTonnancourt, who's president of the Rhode Island Realtors Association and broker owner of HomeSmart Professionals here in Rhode Island. So you have some experts, some big time players that are here and going to answer your questions. So come on down. It's June 6th, 6 p.m. We're at 49 North Union Street in Pawtucket, Rhode Island. And to boot, on top of all this, we have free food, free drinks, and no registration, no tickets required. Just bring yourself, bring your friends, and have a good time. Once again, this is Gregory. I'm here at Nexus Property Management's headquarters, your property managed.